Let's continue with group 14 elements. Next topic is allotropy. Except lead, all other elements of this group show allotropy. For example, carbon exists as diamond, graphite, coal, charcoal, and lamp black. Silicon exists in two forms, crystalline and amorphous. Germanium exists in two crystalline forms, and tin exists in three forms, grey tin, white tin, and rhombic tin. White tin changes to grey tin at low temperature below 0 degrees centigrade. White tin is malleable and ductile, whereas grey tin is brittle. Catenation. The linking of identical atoms with each other to form long chain is called catenation. In simple words, it can be called as self-linking property. Down the group, the size increases and electronegativity decreases, therefore tendency to show catenation decreases. Carbon shows catenation to maximum extent, followed by silicon, germanium and tin show almost equal, lead does not show catenation. The reason is there is decrease in bond dissociation energy, which is due to increase in bond length. That is why tendency to show catenation decreases down the group. This table shows bond dissociation energy. Carbon-carbon bond is strongest. It requires 348 kilojoules per mole of energy. Silicon-silicon bond requires 297. Germanium-germanium bonds require 260, and tin-tin bond requires 240 kilojoules per mole of energy. That is why tendency to show catenation decreases down the group. Next, we are taking chemical properties, oxidation state and trends in chemical reactivities. The general oxidation state shown by group 14 elements is +4 and +2. Carbon and silicon show negative oxidation state also. Other elements do not show negative oxidation state. Since some of the four ionization energies of these elements are very high, therefore hardly anybody shows +4 oxidation state in ionic compounds. They generally form covalent compounds in +4 oxidation state. In +2 they form ionic compounds, especially lead and tin. In heavier members, the tendency to show +2 oxidation state increases down the group. Germanium has less than tin, has less than lead. It is due to inability of outermost s electrons to take part in bonding due to poor shielding effect of f electrons. These electrons are strongly attracted towards the nucleus and they do not take part in bond formation. This pair of electron is called inert pair. And due to inert pair, lead shows +2 oxidation state to more extent than +4. So lead +2 is more stable than Pb +4, whereas germanium and tin +4 oxidation state is more stable than +2. Carbon and silicon mostly show +4 oxidation state. Germanium forms stable compounds in +4 state and only few compounds in +2 state. Tin also forms compounds both in +2 and +4, but in +2 it's a reducing agent and changes to +4. Lead compounds are mainly in +2 oxidation state. In +4 state they are strong oxidizing agent. They gain electron to change into +2 oxidation state. That is why PbO2 is a good oxidizing agent, SnO2 is not. Similarly, SnCl2 is a reducing agent, PbCl2 is not. Although carbon cannot exceed its covalency more than 4 due to non-availability of d orbitals, whereas other elements can show valency, secondary valency up to 6 due to the presence of d orbital in them. Due to this, their halides undergo hydrolysis. CCl4 does not undergo hydrolysis, but other tetrahalides can undergo hydrolysis, and also they form complexes by accepting electron pair from donor species. For example, SiF6 2-, BeCl6 2-, SnOH6 2- exist, where central atom is sp3d2 hybridized and they have octahedral structure. Reactivity. The elements of this group are relatively less reactive, but reactivity increases down the group. Lead often appears more unreactive than expected. It is due to the coating of oxide layer on its surface which makes it passive. Reactivity towards oxygen. All members when heated in oxygen forms oxides. There are mainly two types of oxides, monoxide and dioxide. Silicon monoxide only exists at high temperature. Oxides in higher oxidation state of the elements are generally acidic, whereas in lower oxidation state are basic or less acidic. The dioxides CO2, SiO2 and GeO2 are acidic, whereas SnO2 and PbO2 are amphoteric in nature. Among monoxide, carbon monoxide is neutral, germanium monoxide is distinctly acidic, whereas SnO and PbO are amphoteric. Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide, silicon plus oxygen on heating gives silicon dioxide, germanium reacts with oxygen to form germanium dioxide. Excess of carbon when reacts with limited supply of oxygen we get carbon monoxide. The stannous oxide, that is as tin 2 oxide, is prepared indirectly by heating tin oxalate to give SnO, CO2 plus CO. Due to reducing nature of carbon monoxide, SnO cannot be oxidized to SnO2 in this process. Lead reacts with oxygen to form lead monoxide. Tin reacts with oxygen to form tin dioxide, SnO2. Germanium can react with oxygen to form germanium monoxide. Lead dioxide is prepared by indirect methods. CO2, being acidic, reacts with NaOH to form sodium carbonate plus water. SiO2 reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium silicate plus water, which shows it is acidic in nature. SnO2 reacts with 4HCl to form SnCl4 plus 2H2O. SnCl4 into 5H2O is called butter of tin because it's liquid. SnO2 reacts with NaOH to form sodium stannate plus water is formed. Lead dioxide reacts with nitric acid. Here nitric acid is acting as oxidizing agent and we get the lead plus 4 is getting reduced to lead plus 2 and oxide ion gets reduced to oxide ion gets oxidized to oxygen gas, means PbO2 is powerful oxidizing agent than nitric acid in this case. That's why Pb plus 4 has changed to plus 2 and here oxygen has changed from minus 2 to 0. Germanium dioxide reacts with NaOH to form sodium germanate plus water is formed. Lead dioxide reacts with NaOH to form sodium plumbate plus water. Lead dioxide reacts with conc HCl at 273 Kelvin, means 0 degrees centigrade. At low temperature it forms PbCl4 plus 2H2O, whereas at room temperature or on heating, lead dioxide acts as oxidizing agent and oxidizes HCl to chlorine and water itself gets reduced to lead dichloride. SnO, stannous oxide, reacts with HCl to form SnCl2 plus water. PbO plus 2HCl gives PbCl2 plus water and GeO plus 2HCl gives GeCl2 plus water. These are all neutralization reaction showing basic nature of these monoxides. Question: select the member of group 14 that forms the most acidic dioxide. Answer is carbon. Most commonly found in plus 2 oxidation state. Answer is lead. Used as semiconductors, silicon and germanium both are used as semiconductors. Reactivity towards water. Carbon, silicon and germanium are not affected by water at room temperature. Tin decomposes steam to form dioxide and dihydrogen gas. Sn plus 2H2O gives SnO2 plus 2 hydrogen. Lead is unaffected by water probably because of the formation of protective oxide layer on its surface. Carbon reacts with steam. Red hot coke reacts with steam to form carbon monoxide plus hydrogen, which is called water gas. Silicon also decomposes steam to form SiO2 plus 2 hydrogen.